How to stop phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically stop phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. Now, let's say that basically you have someone on your contact list on your phone. You don't want to be friends with that person on Snapchat, but because you're in the contact and they also have added you as a contact on their phone, on their Snapchat app, your recommendation is going to show up. But you don't want that to happen. You want to disable yourself from showing up on other people's contacts and suggestions list on Snapchat. So how do you do that? Well, in order to do that, all you have to do is go and launch a Snapchat application first. Once you launch a Snapchat app, make sure to basically tap the profile icon from the top left, which is your Bitmoji avatar. Then make sure to tap the gear icon from the top right. Now just scroll down, and right under it you should be able to see privacy controls. Here you can see contact me. Tap on it. So basically, if you set this to contact me, to friends and contacts, or maybe everyone, what this does is that anybody where you are as a contact on their phone, it will basically show up your name on their suggestions list. So what you want to do here is to only select friends, not friends and contacts. And if you have everyone option, don't select that, just select friends only. After this, what you can do is you can just come back and then select see me in quick add, right? So tap on it. So what you want to do is, if you don't want to appear in someone else's quick add, you can simply turn off this feature called show me in quick add, and Snapchat will not give your profile as a recommendation on quick ads unless the person searched for you manually by username. They're not going to be able to see your recommendation. So this way you can stop your phone contacts or anyone from finding you on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.